Ginger may ease a dry or asthmatic cough, as it has anti-inflammatory properties. It may also relieve nausea and pain. One study suggests that some anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger can relax membranes in the airways, which could reduce coughing. After boiling the ginger, just add honey and lemon, and you're all set. Let's all stay safe, guys, and always remember prevention is better than cure. This has been Eden. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Stay safe, be kind, and spread the love.